Hello, my friends. Hello, it's Melissa. Welcome back to my channel. Well, it is that time of year again where for planner people and planner companies start putting some of their stuff at really great on sale. Just sale, sale, sale. Let's just say it, sale. Because, you know, they're gearing up for their mid-year refresh, and so they got to get rid of some of the old and bring in some of the new, and in getting rid of some of the old, it's just like new, still new, just cheaper. So Melissa had to get some, this time from Erin Condor. And I got a little box and a big box because I ordered my big box and it saved me enough money that I could go in and use my rewards to get what I got in the little box. Not gonna lie, I don't remember what's in the little box. But let's find out. This is gonna be the first one we open, the little box. Just because it's going to be a surprise to me and to you. So here we go. Oh, now I remember. Now I remember. I got one of their little dry erase boards that goes into your agendas. Because this stuff was on sale, like super cheap. This was not. This was new, but it wasn't that bad, so you've got like your priorities, your to-do, and your whole week on that side. They had a couple of different ones. I just like the look of this one better. I like the fact that it makes you a nice little to-do tab, too. I'm always in for stuff like that. You buy things like that off of Etsy, and you pay like, oh, money, honey. All right, let's see if I can get these out. These are the dry erase markers, retractable. They also have a new kind that's a thin marker. Now let's see if your heavy-handed girl can write with it. To do tomorrow. Sleep. Oh, it's not too bad because this is the size that I can handle. And what else should we do tomorrow? Maybe eat. And third on the list, relax. I'm going to try those out. See if that'll work for me. And I do like the fact that these are, you know, retractable. That just makes life so much easier. But yeah, that's cool. And you can just go on. I don't have anything right now to erase it, so it's just got to stay there for a while. I guess till I accomplish those things. But I just got this, like I said, because I earned enough reward points and I forgot to use them on my other thing. I just went in and grabbed these and used my reward money. Woohoo! Love me some reward money. All right, big box. Now I do remember, my little thingy's moving. Okay, what I got there is gonna have to open it kind of off to the side because it's such a big box. But I finally broke down. And you know, I have her A5 Life Planner, the actual coil bound one that I love. I really love it, and I'm using it to keep things that I won't throw away in that I need to hold on to. Because pretty much everything in my ring planner, you know, gets thrown away. Once I'm done with that day or that section or that quarterly, bye-bye. It's gone. So I figured it'd be a good idea to have something that I could reference things in that it's not going anywhere. So I've been using my A5 coil bound agenda for that. Plus I bought a bunch of cute little different covers for her so that I wouldn't get bored. But I have been continuously curious about this. Now you guys know the ones I have always gotten have been the folios. I love the folios. Those are my favorite things that Erin Condor does just because they're so fun. You can do so many things with them. Just carry them around, write in them, use them as your main planner, whatever. I have all of theirs. I love them a ton. But when she came out with her A5 agenda, I was just really curious. Really wanted to know what was going on. But, you know, just not thrilled with the inserts, basically, is what it came down to. Now, for me, an A5 is not my main planner. I do use one. It's mainly used as a reference planner. But when I do use them, most of the ones I have are Kikki K. Love Kikki K stuff. Of course, it's not the, quality of a, the vendor specs or anything like that. But they are nice. They're very nice ring agendas. They're very pretty, come in all different kinds. She changes out her design every few months. But when COVID hit, they stopped shipping overseas. So they're based out of Australia. So they no longer ship to the U.S. They have opened up their shipping a little bit, and they're shipping to countries like the Netherlands and stuff like that, but still not to the U.S. So I have not bought a new A5 in a couple of years now. I just keep using the ones I have. And I still have my old Carpe Diems and everything, some that have never been used, that if I want to, I can switch out into those. But for the most part, and two, I have a couple, well, they're all just regular planners. I got some from Agenda 52, which is Hobby Lobbies and things like that, just little plastic ones. But my Kikki Ks are real leather, and they're really pretty. I love them, but I was curious about Erin Condren and what hers were like. My main thing that I didn't like about them, honestly, is the same thing I don't like about Aurora Estelle's Cloud A5s. I love her B6 clouds, but the A5 with that flap is just huge. Just absolutely huge. But this, I think, was new with the last launch. It's not the prettiest planner she has by any means. I love the ones with the flowers. I have that in my Petite Folio. It is so pretty. It's got like a lavender background with foiled flowers on the front. Everything's really pretty. And they do have one in that. I didn't get it because I'll tell you why. Now, see, this to me pretty much feels like just a thicker version of the stuff her folios are made out of. A little bit nicer. Got a little crosshatch design here. And then you got a big open pocket there, pockets there, place to put your pins there and there. So that's nice. Check her rings out. Plop. Right away, there is a little gapping at the bottom one. That's one of the things I had seen. I can probably fix that. But, yeah, it's disappointing when you get a brand new planner and the rings are already gapped a little bit. But I had seen some people complain about that. This, by the way, is on sale big time. Big time. I think I got it like, they're regular like $79, I think. $79, somewhere around $89 for the, if you do the Daily Duo ones. With the discount they had on this and everything, it was $35. So that alone, the planner is worth that alone. And since I was wanting a new A5 to try out, that fit the bucket. The reason I didn't get the color A5 I wanted is because I did not want the inserts. Because I have those in my A5 coil bound planner. I have the inserts that I want that are like that. This, however, is something new. It's called a focus planner. These inserts that come with this one. And they're much more, look at there, way more minimalist. Hello. Of course, we're already into March, so these automatically will go away. But you don't have all your fuss and everything. You still have your Erin Condren paper. They're marked with a neutral color there. That's perfect. I don't like bright colors or even pastel colors. I don't like colors at all when it comes to stuff like this. Any decorating that gets done, I want to be the one to do it. Then you have your month at a glance. And then look at there. I love these. These are one of my favorite styles of inserts. This is what the kind that Cloth and Paper started doing this for the first time this past year. And I ordered them and I love them. I've used them before from other companies, I still love my, the traditional cloth and paper vertical ones. Still love those, and I still have those as well. And that's the vertical is what I have in my Erin Condren little A5 agenda thingy. But I'm like, this is so cool that they're doing something actually new. And what I like about this is because you got your lined here and then a space here. That's the part I like. That's what the new cloth and paper are like, and I really like it. Then you got a note section here, and then another bullet section here. What that lets you do that you can't do in your vertical is, so you have every single day of the week, but then you have a note section as well as an additional, bullet section for lists or things. You can't really do that in a vertical setup. So I think it's the vertical. Yeah, horizontal, vertical, you know what I'm talking about. And like I said, there's no garbity garb. There's no mid-century circles or flowers or anything. It's yours to do what you want with. Every page has your planner, the month up here for you to look at if you need to. And then, all it is just a piece of paper. I mean, you get to literally do what you want to do with this one. I like that. That is something to be excited about. As far as I'm concerned, you get a few note pages in the back. You get a contact list section, and then 2024 section right there for the year ahead. See, to me, and of course I'll go in and put a few of the things that I make to make them pretty, because I make my own, thank you very much, vellums and dashboards and things. I will do that. The one thing I don't have for my A5 that I need to get, that I've got for every other size planner I have, is page lifters. I didn't use page lifters for a long time, to just like a year or so ago, and man, they are lifesavers. They are so nice to have because your planner just shuts straight up. You don't have to wiggle your papers around or anything to get them set straight. So I do need to get some of those for an A5 since I decided I like them so much. This is how I normally fix these. If they're gapped, that usually takes care of it. Just stretch it, to that side. It does help. Of course, every now and then you get some that are so strong that you can't do it. You have to use a little pliers to do it. But there we go. And then this, I thought was kind of cool. You've got your elastic pin loop there. But you know what? I wish all planners would do this. This is what KKK uses. I wish my Vanderspecs had the full elastic and stuff. They have leather ones, and it's just got a small elastic place on it, and you can only get regular small size pins in there. You cannot get nice big fat pins in there like I like so well. But I don't care about the leather as much as I do the functionality. There you go. See, that's what you do with that. You put your pins right there. I like that. And like I said, your little card. So you can still decorate it up a little bit there, or just use it as a, functional. Some people like to be functional with their planners, not just silly like me. But yeah, that's pretty cool. 35 bucks. You can get it right now. And I did like this because, see, what other color did they have? What other color they had in this? They only had 2 options in this one. Oh, you can stuff that thing. As far as your rings will let you anyway. But just out of curiosities, let's go see real quick. What were the other options they had? So I can show you. And what the prices are. Hopefully, oh, come on. Hopefully the prices are still, hope they're still good. Here we go. I am an insider. Thank you very much. All right, so we'll go up here, go to planners, go down, softbound, Spanish, a 5-ring agenda right there. Now, like I said, they've got some pretty ones, so, So, oh yeah, they're at 50% off right now. That is very cool. That's the one that I love the most, but just didn't want the inserts. because I have them already. Like I said in my coil agenda. Plus, I have this cover in my petite folio. I get almost all of their petite folios because they're real cheap and they're just really cute. So they've got that and that. This is for the full life planner, daily life planner. So this will be in a daily version. Do you guys love shopping with me? See, that is so pretty. And so that's what the daily looks like. That's how you can stuff it up. I plan on stuffing this one up. And then, see, I'm just not a big fan of all that up there because then I have to go do the extra job of covering it up. But everything else is really cool on it. All right, let's go back. Then you got your color blend, which is really pretty. This one from the floral one, they've got like 4 different colors. I don't know with this one, but that's very pretty. There's your mid-century circles. Then your regular little blush. Champagne color is really nice. I really love the camel. I think it's very, very nice. And you can get a whole bundle right there. It was a regular $127, and you just get it for $89. And then down here, these are $39. These are the life planner ring agendas, which means it just has the weeklies and not the dailies. Again, basically the same selection. So yeah, same thing. And then this is what I got. Okay, so they have a blush one, so that's pretty. I don't know why I got the gray. Now I'm like, ooh, I should have got the blush. Anyway. This is fine. So that's called Quartz Grid, and this is Harbor Arch. Oh, that's the reason I like the arch. That's what it was. I thought that looked kind of hobo-ish. Boho-ish, should I say. $36.25. And this, I think this is the same one. Yep, this is Focus. I could have got the camel too. Don't ask me what I was thinking, girls. I could, who knows. I usually do this about 2, 3 a.m. in the morning when I'm ordering these things. But yeah, that's lovely. That's just lovely with the gold. Yeah, that's pretty. So who knows, maybe next year. But yeah, I just like the Focused. It's not as expensive. You don't get as many choices ring-wise, but I like the inserts much better. And the inserts themselves, if she has them on sale sometimes, usually you're paying almost as much just for the inserts if you just buy them alone as you do for the whole thing. So this is really a good deal. Normally there's people on Mercari, because I was looking for people who were selling their agendas on Mercari, and there's people on Mercari, most of these that are for sale, used without the inserts, they're selling for like $35. So 36 wasn't too bad, I didn't think. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I just love the clean and minimalist look right here. I love it so much. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that little look at the stuff that they've got on sale. If you see anything you like, go grab it. Hey, I will actually put my affiliate link in the description. That way you can use it, and maybe they'll pay me a little bit of money. They did one time, a long time ago. Just a little bit. I think it was like $49. But hey, $49 would buy me another life agenda. You got to look at it that way. Look at the positive. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. I do. I always do. Thanks for spending some time with me, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Bye.